Hello and welcome back. It's time to do some more factoring, and this is Chapter 10, Lesson 6, Factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. We're one day into this factoring business. We've gotten some of the basics down, and now today we're going to take a look at how to do some more advanced factoring. The example that I have right now looks something like this: 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. The difference between this problem and what you've been doing before is that now I'm going to put a number in front of the x squared. Before, it's always just been plain x squared, like 1x squared. Now I can put a 2 or 4 or 10 or whatever number I want in front of that x, and that's going to complicate these problems just a little bit. So watch what happens when I solve this problem. To solve 2x squared plus 5x plus 3, to factor it, I have to look at two different numbers first. I have to look at the a term, the 2, and I have to look at the c term, the 3. I want to figure out what factor pairs or what two numbers multiply together that can give me 2 and can give me 3. So as I've written out already, the two numbers that multiply together to give you 2 are 1 and 2, and the two numbers that give you 3 for c are 1 and 3. Those are my factor pairs, and those are the numbers that I'm going to use and plug in to my parentheses to try to create these two binomials that you could multiply or FOIL together to give you this expression. I'm saying a lot of words. I hope this is making some sense. Alright, so here's what I do. The factor pairs 1 and 2 go in for 1x and 2x, because 1x times 2x is 2x squared. The factor pairs of 1 and 3 that give you c, or the value 3 here, are the second terms in each parenthesis. So 3 here, 1 here, and then over here I wrote a second way of doing it, where I put the 1 first and the 3 second. So these look very similar. One of these pairs is right, one of these pairs is not right. Okay? So I don't really know until I check my work. So I multiply this out to see what I get. Well, 1x squared times 2x squared is still going to be 2x squared. So that's the right answer. Plus 1x times 1 is 1x. Plus 3 times 2x is 6x. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. Is this the right answer? Well, no, because when I combine 1x plus 6x, I'm going to get 7x. And 7x is not what I have up here, so this is not the right answer. So I'm just going to kind of move this out of the way over here. And unfortunately, I don't think that's the right answer. Let's try multiplying these two out. Okay, so I do 1x times 2x again, and that still gives me 2x squared. Then I do 1x times a 3. That's going to be plus 3x. And then I'll do the 1x, this 1 times this 2x, which is plus another 2x. And then I do the 1 times 3, which is positive 3. If I combine these two middle terms, 3x plus 2x is 5x. That matches the middle term in my original quadratic expression. So this is the correct way to FOIL this problem. And so I'm going to circle my answer and make it look kind of nice. I hope that didn't quite work, but you'll kind of forgive me for that. Alright, that's my first example of factoring ax squared plus bx plus c problems. Look at the next video for another example.